Now, same deal as last time. We are to figure out what is the chord progression. Hopefully, it will have something to do with what we've learned, right? Okay, so think intelligently about it. And the chord progression that I'm interested in this time is at the beginning, not the end. And there's a long one chord at the end that's easy to identify. I will sing tonic for you during that time to help you out with where that is, and you figure out the chords. Again, the chords, okay, this time the chords are going to be root position chords only. And the top is going to be going all over the place. Don't worry about the soprano. This time, worry about the bass, because if you know the scale degree of the bass and its root position, then you know the chord, right? Because the chord will be exactly the scale degree, the root position. All right, I'll let you hear it once. Bye, Beth. I will make sure that we do it a few times so that you have the benefit of hearing tonic at the end, and here we go. Bum is tonic, right? Bum. So that's tonic. There's long tonic chord at the end, but we're interested in the chords at the beginning. So, can you hear the way the bass is going at the beginning? Is tonic. It's kind of hard. I'll do it a bunch of times. Here we go. And I'll stop it immediately after the progression. What? Bum 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 bum. Is that
something like that?
Something like that. Does that sound? Is that what you are thinking? No, you're thinking something different.
Very bad with listening.
Well, this is hard. Believe me, it is really hard listening. Doing this stuff is hard. That's why.
Especially listening for the bass.
All right, here we go. Yeah, it's actually. You're sounding more confident about it. Bum bum bum. That's how it ends.
I'm counting 4 notes. That's about 1 note.
Well, bum 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 is 3 notes. So you got the last 3. Actually, that's correct. Okay, those are correct. Bum bum bum. The question is, okay, given the code is right, okay, we still have the first one because what you got is the last 3. What would the first one be? And you know what? If it's really too hard for you, I'll give you like 2 choices of what it might be. They'll both be reasonable choices. Here it is again. Listen to it again. First note in the bass.
Saying what we're hearing.
Yeah, I sing what you hear if you can. What's the first note? I haven't heard anybody sing it yet. Let's try that. Now, the way we're going to test it out is sing it out loud simultaneously. I'll do that. You think it's a possibility? That doesn't work for me. Does not work for me. That's the second note. Here
There are
is.
chord
It's
notes.
one
It's
something something one.
so you think it's 1
Blank
bum bum
Yeah.
bum.
Yeah.
So that would be actually what you're saying is if this is tonic, it would be da 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 dum. Let's see if that works. Da 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 da. Whoa, that sounds pretty good. Let's do that one again. Da 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 dum. That's tonic. Da 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 da. Let's see. Now I want you to listen to it without me singing, so you can hear it better. So we're going to go with that. Those scale degrees that I was singing were 1, 2, 5, 1. You hear the 5, 1. Reveal the score. Let's see what the story is. We're in the key of. Probably E major. In fact, there's a whole bunch of E's in the bass at the end. This, however, is starting on a C sharp. What's the viola got? E. Yeah. C's on the middle line. This is an E. C sharp, E, E, G sharp. It's a chord. C. What? C sharp. C sharp, E, another E, G sharp. C sharp, what? Minor. C sharp minor chord. Okay, it happens to be the relative minor. If you look at it quickly and look at the first chord, you might in fact think you're in the key of C sharp minor. However, not with all these E's going by. So, in the key of E major, we're wondering if we were right. Were the scale degrees in the bass, and were the chords 1, 2, 5, 1. Is this a 1 chord? Is this a 1 that I'm pointing to right here? No! We were wrong. It's a 6 chord. It is. Very good, Lauren.
6, 2.
Is this a 2 chord? You know, if it's root position, all you have to do is look at the bottom note. Yes, this is F sharp minor. If you look at F, C, F sharp, A, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A. What?
The board behind you is exactly what you're doing.
Oh my goodness, I wrote out this progression, and what did we call it?
Circle of
Yeah,
progression.
circle of something. Yeah, this is circle. It's a circle progression. Circle of fifths. Yeah, we did study this, didn't we? It's a 6, 2, 5, 1. How come the 1 sounded so good at the beginning? It worked. I sang it. Scale degree 1, the E sounded good here. I swear I could do it again. Yeah, what? It's actually in the 6th chord. Yeah. But if you listen carefully, it was, if you really listen carefully, it was a 6. Let's see. Bum, 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 all root position, as opposed to the 1 at the beginning was ba-da-da-dum. You hear the difference? With the tonic at the beginning, ba-da-da-dum, with as written, 6 at the beginning, ba-ba. You got that big leap of what? 4th. Ba-ba-ba-bum. What's the 7 doing here? Yeah, it's a 7th chord. What's the Roman numeral under here? Well, hey, 6, 2, right? What's this? 5. So there's a 5, 7. This is your way by far your most common seventh chord. It's a dominant seventh, built on 5. What is a dominant seventh? Well, we got a B here, and we've got a B, D sharp, F sharp. We can read that treble clef real easily, and that's a B chord. What's that note come on in the A? This is an A. B, D sharp, F sharp, A is built in thirds. That's your classic dominant seventh. We haven't gotten to that yet. What kind of 6/4s? What kind of 6/4s? We can't just use 6/4s indiscriminately. Is it a passing 6/4?
This thing is way over.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like flip the ear down.
We call this actually an arpeggiated 6/4, even though it's not much of an arpeggio. But it's an arpeggiated 6/4.
Are they all arpeggios?
All these 6/4s are identical, really.
Yes.
Yeah, they're all arpeggiated 6/4s. Let's go reveal the analysis. There's our 6-2-5-1 progression, like up here, right? And that's it.